Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. A long-awaited product, Feather Crochet Hair Extension, is available, and this is our Feather Crochet Hair Extension. You can see this every bundle is 50 grams, and on our website actually our price is for every 100 grams, and this one is straight hair texture, but we are also available in all different type of hair textures. You can see this is loose deep weave type, a loose weave type, and this is popular Burmese curly hair type with spiral curl at the end. And you can see this is how it is made. So it's very easy to wear and easy to remove. So that is why this product is so popular right now. It's even easier than regular machine weft. So if you like this feather crochet hair extensions, make sure take a look on our website and test our samples. This is all made from our Remy human hair, very high quality and great price hair extensions. We also make it in premium hair and a Vietnam raw virgin hair as well. So which type of hair extension you like, you can contact us and place order. We can make it according to your budget as well. So if you like this feather crochet hair extensions, contact us and place order. Thank you. Have a good day.